Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the latest WhatsApp update that lets you easily manage who can see your status right from your PC. If you've ever wanted to share a quick photo, message, or update with your contacts while working on your computer, this new feature makes it super simple. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into your account. You'll see your main chat window, but for this process, we'll head straight into the settings. Next, look for the gear icon. It's usually at the bottom left corner of the app window. Click on it to open your settings menu. This is where you can change your preferences, account details, and privacy controls. Now, click on privacy. Inside the privacy section, you'll find different options for how you share information, and one of them will be status privacy. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. From here, you can choose who can view your WhatsApp status updates. Select My Contacts if you want everyone in your contact list to see your updates. It's the best option if you like keeping your circle informed but still want to control visibility compared to sharing publicly. Once you've selected My Contacts, WhatsApp will save your choice automatically, so you don't have to hit any extra buttons. You're all set. Now, whenever you upload a new status from your phone or computer, only your contacts will be able to see it. This update makes managing your privacy on the desktop app more convenient than ever. No more switching between your phone and PC, everything's right where you need it. So that's how you can show your status to your contacts on WhatsApp for PC using the latest update. Simple, quick, and practical. If this guide helped you out, make sure to share it with someone who uses WhatsApp on their computer too. And stay tuned for more easy tech tutorials just like this one.